Hey, this is Tracy Lewis back again with another card walkthrough. This is one of my favorite cards. After the four of us crafted for the weekend, Kathy and Jane had to go home, and then Libby and I had another, say, day and a half to craft. And this was a card that we did based on a Pinterest pin. I will go dig up the Pinterest pin. The interesting thing about this, besides the wonderful collage design that she did, we had to use some of our own materials. I didn't have the sprigs that she had. I also chose to use a different sentiment, put it in a different location, and used different bling. I don't even know if she used bling. What I did like, I loved that she used on this evening evergreen. I almost want to get you, so here is the evening evergreen as it is, and then these are also 3D little elements with a rhinestone. I left it dark because I love to write with a white gel pen. So if I do end up selling this, I will probably put a little note on the card that you need to use a light colored pen, ink pen, to fill it in. But hopefully you can see that this card on the edges has two interesting elements to it besides the wonderful embossing piece to it. It has a yellowish tinge to it, like a deep olive look, and that is done with, I believe, Daffodil Delight rubbed on with a sponge and a second color. I think we had to do like Granny Apple Green and Daffodil Delight. We found that out by having to go from the pin into the article that she had created, and maybe even the video. I think this one had a video. So if you go into Pinterest, this is a tip. If you like a card and you look at it and you're like, there's something different about this card, be sure to go watch, either read the instructions in the article or go see the video. The second thing unique about this card is that she did splatter Wink of Stella. I accidentally grabbed my gold Wink of Stella. The Wink of Stella comes in colors. Stampin' Up carries just the clear one. So evidently I had this gold one, so my speckles came out gold, and it actually comes out very, very nice. I really like how this card came out. And I believe I might have used a different color. I used the basic twine, Baker's Twine Essentials in an off-white. She also used white for the die-cut lemon pieces, the leaves, white for the Evening Evergreen stamped sentiment, but the flowers, to add just a little more depth, she actually used Very Vanilla, which is why I picked using the Very Vanilla Baker's Twine. So wonderful card, love it. This has the embossing that you can do. You can also then take the die cut coordinates with the embossing folder so that you can take these pieces, color them, emboss them, and then cut them out. Though I decided to leave it flat. I believe that the way the Pinterest pin creator created it is they added in some wedges here and there on both of these oranges to give it, or lemon, I guess it would be lemon, to give it more dimension, and I preferred having it be flat to offset the look of the texture from the background. All right, so that concludes episode 2. I've still got a whole bunch more cards to go through, so this series will continue on. Be sure to add any of your comments, questions, or concerns to this video or over on my blog. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.